You mean you want to turn it with the, like, switch to profile picture that Video Ninja allows you to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're live. We're live. Hello, guys. Okay, let's wait a bit more for Nissen and Nikita to come. Hello, Yal. I'm Kito, head of product at Concero, and today we will try to integrate as many chains as possible. And we'll drop some alpha news about Concero Testnet V2, which is currently live, but it's like an alpha access or something like this. After the stream, we'll give some of you an opportunity to test it. I'm not sure, maybe we will launch it publicly. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, during the stream, we will answer your questions, we will talk a bit, we will drop some alpha, and of course, we will watch how Nikita integrates new chains, like the most sweet part of the stream. Let me read the chat real quick. Jalanka. Yes, Jalanka to y'all. Should we drop the wallet address now? Guys, please fill in the form here, testnet.concero.al. I dropped the link in the chat. Please fill it, and right after the stream, maybe, the luckiest of you will be waitlisted. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Mark. Our team members here as well. Hello, Samscat, our one of the most loyal users out here. Hello, Nissen. Hello, Fook, of course. Hello, Wishel. A lot of big names in the chat. Hello, guys. Since we're waiting for our team members drop some questions, I don't know, some news, tell us a bit more about yourself. Let's meet together. I can see some Russian words in the chat from Tatiana. Hello, Tatiana. Hello, guys. Let me share the link with my friends and teammates real quick. Where is the link to the form? The link is on our testnet website, testnet.concero.io. I'm not sure if we have to put it somewhere here. Let me drop it one more time. Testnet.concero.io. You have to connect the wallet, and if you're not waitlisted, you will see the button to apply for the form. Here's how you can waitlist. It's as easy as like this. Jalanka, guys. Since the testnet will be invited only, does that mean that those who fill the form don't have 100% chance of being part of the testnet. It will be, it will not be invited only. For the first phase, we will wait at least like, I don't know, thousands of users, but not all of them. In a week or so, let's say, we will open the access to everyone who wants to take part in this. It's that easy. So, in fact, everyone will have an ability to try it. That's for sure. Everyone. But at first you want to battle test it, right? You don't want to have like thousands of users for the first week because you're not sure that everything goes smooth, right? Then you have to fix something, etc. So why we only whitelisted for now, let's say 300 people, like the whole team, our ambassadors, our KOLs, our loyal users, and so on. They can test it right now, but all of you will have the opportunity to test it. That's for sure. How did the Zora distribution go while we're waiting for the team? It's better to ask Nissan about it, but still, I'm 100% sure that we will give out all the tokens that we have from Zora, because we don't need it, but we want to, I mean, we need it, this is the money still, but yeah, we want to give some rewards to our community, to our loyal ones, because we get this drop just because of you. Because you use Zora to mint Lancome Saber NFT. So this is your rewards. That's not ours.
Hello guys, can you hear me? Please drop some messages in chat.
Yep, here's the Nikita, our head of engineering, our big brain guy, who will integrate all the chains today. I mean, as much chains as possible.
Yep. Hello.
Yes, everyone can hear Nikita, that is good. JM to Andre.
Do you like music, guys? And by the way, even can you hear it?
Yes, we can. I just tested it, so yeah.
Okay.
I can hear some jazz. So
let's
yeah,
kick it off.
guys.
5 more minutes, guys.
I think how many? We have 50 viewers right now, right? So I think we have to wait a bit more so everyone can join. And then Nikita will start do his magic. I like the fact that everyone likes the music that Nikita chose for the stream. I hope we will not be banned for it. Hello guys. Hello to everyone who just came. Jilanka. It is a QA. Not really, but you can ask questions. The idea of the stream is to show you how, to be as transparent as possible. So we will show you how we deploy chains, how we integrate them, our working processes
as well.
Yeah. First of all, how we debug them, because we still have a lot of issues. We're making the whole new thing. It should be great. I had some since I'm the part of the team, I had private access, and the fastest transaction that I made was 6 seconds from monad to megaise. 6 seconds, guys, for bridging. That's what Nikita did, you know? That's why he's the big brain.
Me and our team.
Yeah, of course.
Actually.
And our CDO Oleg and like everyone, we're trying our best to do it as fast as possible, as smooth as possible, as good, like as easy to use as possible. So yeah. So yeah, I forgot to say that we're trying to be transparent. That's why you can ask any questions. I mean, maybe I'm not the, I will not answer all of them because I'm the head of product, right? So I'm responsible for product and I can share you some insights. But when it comes to, let's say, marketing or something like this, it's better to ask Nissin. When it comes to intern, it's better to drop it in the chat and just wait for the response from the intern. So yeah, I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, guys. Is it clear who will participate in the test? Yes, it is. We have a form on testnet.concero.io. You can fill it in and we'll whitelist you really soon. Yeah, of course, anything related to ecosystem. Here's the Mark in the chat. You can ask him. He will drop you, he will ask any questions that you have. Wow, that's fast for real. Great job, team. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We're trying our best to make it not only as fast as possible, but also as cheap as possible for our integrators and of course for our users. Consider it don't matter if a blockchain is Ghost or not. The aim to integrate every blockchain that exists is possible. That's Concero.
Yep.
You're right, Samskid. Yeah. We don't care if it exists or not. We will integrate it. In the end of the day, it will be our supported chain. I have less access to Wi-Fi and will soon end. Can I drop wallet address before Wi-Fi disconnect? Yeah, you can share it. I'm not sure if you have to share it here or in the Twitter, but ask Nissan. I got 7 XTX from Monad to Megaise. That's insane, actually. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
In the chat. They have to drop it in the chat.
Okay, Nissan just told me that I have to drop it in the chat. The wallet. Am I right, Nissan?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, drop it there.
By the way, listen, we can hear you in stream.
Oh, okay. All right. Then we can get started then.
How can I get same t-shirt with Concero logo? Daniel, you can. You're the part of the team, so yeah. By the way, I have the same t-shirt. I'm not sure, I don't want to go naked on the live stream, but yeah, let's wait a bit, guys.
Get ready to screenshot this, guys.
There is nothing that you have to screenshot, but here's the t-shirt. Can you see it, guys? Concero, let's go. Concero, let's go. By the way, I have the same cap as Nikita, which is Solana ones. And I'm not gonna say that we will integrate them soon, but we will. So yeah, this is why we have such a hat on our hats. I mean, not on my hat, but still. I just don't want to have the same outfit as Nikita. We should be, should be different. Or we will get access to V2 today. If you fill in the form, then you have like high chance to be whitelisted today. Yes, yes. Maybe not right after the stream. We will let users in batch by batch. So maybe you will be in the first cohort of the users, maybe in the second. I don't know. Where is Andy? Andy is in Dubai at Talking 2049. So yeah, he's doing his job. He's talking to big guys, to investors, to drop you some brilliant news later this month. Are we getting access to V2 today? Just answer it, but yeah, you have a high chance to be whitelisted if you filled in the form. You can find it at testnet.concero.io. Nikita, maybe you can show guys the transaction on the testnet. I think it will be like very interesting for them to check it. I don't know.
Yep. Of course, I'm finalizing some stuff, and I can show something.
When will ambassadors form be reviewed? I think we will, of course, we will whitelist all the ambassadors that we have, like probably today. How do we know if we're whitelisted? If you open up the website testnet.concero.io and you see the swap form, like where you can bridge your T0, that means that you're whitelisted. If you see something like apply for the testnet, then you have to fill in the form and you will be whitelisted later. Here for the tag. You're right.
By the way, chat, which chains to integrate on stream?
Yeah, EVM chains. Not Solana yet, but
Yeah, EVM testnet chains.
is it 24-hour stream? Unfortunately, no. But we will do it. At one day we will do it for sure. Are we getting access to V2 today? Some of you, yes. How can I get SIRS? You can run transactions on testnet.concero.io. They are completely free, but for each transactions you get 0.1 SIR. This is the easiest way to farm them. It's a secret. But yeah, you can use it.
Monad is already integrated, guys.
Yeah. By the way, you can farm Monad on our app because we are the official partner with Monad. We have a chat in TG, so yeah. They know our contract addresses, they know everything. You can farm Monad on testnet. Yes, you're not late, user. You can still fill up this testnet. Wish list, right. Monad, Megaease are already integrated, guys. World chain. I don't know.
Yep, we can integrate them.
Okay, let's do it. Arbitrum, Optimism are already integrated. Nikita, we need a demo. We need a demo of our testnet. I mean, the existing one, the front end, so guys can understand how many chains we have already integrated. Like, we have integrated, guys, 30 chains. Yeah. How to access Monad chain on Lanka? It's not on Lanka yet. It's on testnet, and you will have access to the testnet really soon. Monad should be first. Monad is already integrated, guys. This is the good news for you. Service is not the official token for Concero, am I right? I mean, yes, we don't have a token yet, but this is like our official point system for Concero. Look at the screen, guys. Here's what we have right now.
Current chains. Yep. And by the way, here's our private testnet. Will be public soon. Just look. It's perfect.
Yeah. It is as clean as possible, as smooth as possible, as fast as possible. Maybe you can try, let's do a test bridge, maybe. Or
yeah, we can do it for sure. But let me check. Yeah, it works. Let's try some modern. I just did some updates, so hopefully it works.
yeah, keep in mind, guys, that it is it always depends on RPCs and all that stuff. So maybe there will be some, I don't know, fails or something. But yeah, it's not because of the info, it's because of the RPCs, because they're in testnet.
And even for now, I just can connect to Monad.
Yeah. It is what it is. It's just as usual. When you wanna, show something in the beta, it always fails. It always fails. And
let me solve this issue on my local machine, and then hopefully we can perform some transactions. So it's even impossible to change RPC because it's only one RPC on Monad. So maybe we can do this transaction from Megis.
Yeah, let's try another chain. So as you can see, guys, it's not like it's not a fail because of the infrastructure or something. It's because of the RPCs. So yeah, it is what it is, unfortunately. Transacting on Concero is like killing two birds with one stone, because I heard it's another way to be eligible for optimism airdrop. How true it is? It is true. It is true. Same for Monad. Yeah, you can see how fast. 13 seconds. Not the fastest transaction, but still, it is very good. I'm just joining and I'm not understanding anything. Can someone brief me? Sure. Here is the live stream of our head of engineering, Nikita, integrating new chains to our V2 cross-chain messaging on Concero. Also, we will drop some, alphas here. We will discuss some news, answer your questions or whatever. You can just enjoy it. You can ask whatever you want. It's okay. Oh, we can only access Monad chain on private testnet V2. Yeah, yes, absolutely, absolutely. And it will be open soon for everyone. Do you have any idea when it will be possible to provide liquidity with Ethereum? Good question. Good question. I hope soon. But
We'll see. We'll see.
yeah, it depends on our infrastructure and on our devs. How long will the testnet run? The testnet should be everlasting, because this is the platform where we can test our new features before rollout to the production. When you release it to the production, it is not safe for user response, right? But when it comes to the testnet, you can breach testnet tokens, our testnet token T0, so it's completely free for you, and it's safe for you to have any fails or something. Because I think not everyone wanna lose his funds during the transaction, right? So the testnet is the best place to stress test your new infrastructure. That's why we have it. But in terms of rewards, it will be not that long. I think something around maybe a month or so, because of course we will give out the rewards for the testnet for the first time, but everything has its end, so at one day it will end. When will it be launched? It will be launched today, but not for everyone. Still private access. Let me check how many applications do we have for our testnet forum. Is the V2 testnet incentivized? Yes, it is. You can get 0.1 server for every transaction. Concero V2 will go mainnet after several heavy audits. Exactly, Fug. How long will the testnet run? It will be everlasting. When TGE? Not soon. I mean, I have no news about it. Rewards as in token generation, right? Didn't get you. I see good question from the Sumscat, but I will answer it later as I wanted to check how many applications do we guys have.
All right. Let me give a brief introduction to Concero V2. The intern is here, and let's get ready to try out the testnet. Our lead developer, Nikita, is going to be adding all these new chains to the testnet infrastructure today. And Kitu, who is our head of product, will be giving all of you guys access. And the intern is going to make sure all of you guys are rewarded and incentivized for all of these transactions that you perform for us. Before we kick off, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to the live stream. And I thank you guys, all the Lankans, all the Concero believers and the loyalists. Thank you for being here. And we're just getting started with this amazing infrastructure that we have in place. All thanks to our amazing developers and our product and the entire team that we have today. A brief about what Concero V2 is. So essentially, Concero V2 is a trustless cross-chain messaging protocol that will be unifying over 104 plus blockchains with sub 20 seconds finality. And it can process up to payloads of up to 1.875 MB, which for the geeks out there know a lot, right? And that's quite a lot. And essentially having sub 20-second finality, ensuring that it's completely decentralized between 104 chains, uh, and doing it in the most decentralized way possible. There isn't any cross-chain protocol out there that's done this yet, and hopefully we will be at the top of our game and ensure that we always keep progressing so no one can even come to our level up there. So the way it works, it's a dual layer security which combines chain links functions, cryptographic verification with symbiotics, economic restaking. What this does is it eliminates single points of failure while also maximizing throughput. So the modular design, it essentially lets developers tailor security and performance as well. In it, before the developers had to choose if it was either security or performance, but now it doesn't really matter because there is Concero V2 for all the developers that will be integrating our cross-chain messaging infrastructure, the V2 infrastructure, into their apps, into the protocols. And live example of this will be for all of you that know Lanka will be able to integrate this tech and coming out with its own very own Lanka bridging framework, which would essentially enable us to go, cross-chain swaps or bridge token from one chain to all the numerous chains that we will have, and enable us to add any of the new chains that are going to be coming up. And we all know, right, every other week there is a new chain, there is a new protocol out there that's super hyped up. And us being us at the Concero team, we need to ensure that our users get there the quickest and the first to capture the move, the entire meat of the move, and ensuring that we are not laggards and we're there from the get-go of the point. So essentially, we'll be able to add, say, a chain within a couple of hours, as Nikita has informed that this will ensure that we are able to have cross-chain bridging transactions, including tokens, from one chain to another. But again, coming back to V2 messaging will enable all the developers protocols out there to build on top of and essentially use it for all their interoperability needs, right? And this is sort of like a universal chain support, where it's a cohort based relay economic, so that basically ensures fee distribution and seamless interoperability. What this does ultimately is it empowers DeFi builders, enterprises, dApp developers to create a truly decentralized multi-chain application, which is quite unparalleled in terms of speed, security, and scalability. Those are my 2 cents, and hope you guys have an amazing stream. We're always looking out for your questions on the live stream. Do drop down any message that you have for us, and we will be there ensuring that we answer each and every one of it. And along with some nice music playing in the background, doing his Nikita doing his developer deving, and me and Kitu are going to be here with you guys to talk through it. Kitu, how about we go through the questions together and we start answering them out. In the meantime, let's kick off with Nikita having some of those code being shown to our live streamers out there.
Yes, sounds great, Nisin. Let's do it. Nikita, I think you can, if you're ready, of course, you can start with the coding part. In the meantime, me and Nisin will answer the questions that we have in the chat. Enjoy it, guys. Feel free to ask any questions you want. Feel free to enjoy the stream, the music, the coding part. You can even ask some questions related to the code if there are any coders or something, right? Maybe Nikita will answer them.
Sure, guys. Let's start. I think we can integrate Hedera testnet at first, because I just have testnet token on this chain. So yeah.
Let's go.
Where is the link? Where is the link? Once again, guys, testnet.concero.io. I think we should put it in the description or somewhere. How long is the testnet going to last? It will be everlasting for now, but the incentivized part will be not that, not that long. We will have it for, I don't know yet, but for a month or so. So be sure to make as many transactions as possible to test it, as deep as possible. It's completely free for you, but you will get rewards for it. For every transaction, you will get 0.1 SIR. So, this is the way how to get them.
Yeah, I agree, Kito. And additionally, a bit more context on how long the testnet is going to last for is essentially what we plan to do with the Concero testnet is we want to have a testnet testing portal out there for all the updates that we plan on releasing, all the updates that we want to release onto our mainnet essentially. So this is V2, and the next one is going to be Lanka bridging framework, which will also have a testing portal for it. And essentially this will ultimately be turned into an ecosystem testnet portal where all the integrators, all the projects out there that integrate Concero's infrastructure will be able to showcase their dApps on the testing portal itself, where our users will be able to go out there on SIRS, which is Concero Ecosystem Rewards Unit for it, and as well as probably get an allocation of the tokens that they want to reward the users for testing it out and trying it out there. So essentially, basically think of it as an ecosystem where it's intertwined with each other, where all the ecosystem partners use our infrastructure, use our portal for testing it out, and our community members test it out, and they get rewarded for it, while also ensuring that there is no loose ends, where they can provide feedback for the testnet and be rewarded for it at the end of the day.
Yep. Yeah. So right now you can see, guys, Nikita integrating the first chain on its live stream. It is Hedera. Of course, every chain that we integrate right now are in the testnet mode. So your funds are completely safe. You can do how many swaps do you want. It doesn't matter. You only have to claim our TSER token on our website to test it and to bridge it to every chain you want. Let's see, maybe we will integrate more chains on the stream. Maybe we'll be able to make the first transaction to Hedera or from Hedera, not from our front end, but from the Nikita's console. If there are any coders, you will understand it. How's it going, Nikita?
Going well. So to integrate new chain, first of all, we need to, add it to our configuration files, and then just run a script. So yeah, it's very easy to integrate new chain. So
Yeah.
let me just do it.
Let's try it out. So I see some questions in the chat in the meantime.
Oh, let me
Where
check
is the
as well.
link? Are you ready to deploy it? Or
What do you mean?
I mean, I wanted to ask to answer some questions that we have in the chat, but I don't want to interrupt you, to interrupt your process. Where is the link? One more time, guys. I think we have to put it somewhere in the description, right? Because it's not that easy to always write it down. Testnet.concero.io. Concero won't have any competitors from now on. That's for sure. That's for sure. When will our ambassadors form be reviewed? Soon. Soon. You will be the first one who will be whitelisted.
I see a lot of users asking for our ambassadors form to be reviewed. Our ambassadors form has not been renewed since quite some time, meaning we haven't added many new ambassadors lately. And the reason why we haven't added new ambassadors till now is because we have a lot planned out till now, and Concero V2 Testnet is just the start of it. So as soon as the V2 Testnet is live to the public, there's a bit of alpha for you guys out there who would like to be Concero ambassadors. We will be renewing our Concero ambassadorship program quite soon. So you will have a chance to apply for it. And also, if you have already applied for it, you might stand a chance to be our ambassador.
Yeah, thank you, Nissan, for clarification. It's that easy, guys. So you just can contact Nissan to solve any issues related to the community. He is our head of community, or how should I say it? I'm sorry, Nissan. And what is your role to be official?
Lankan intern.
No, you're not the intern. The intern is stuck somewhere in the basement. He's lying, guys. Don't listen to him. He's just lying. He's not the intern. Yes. How many funds Concero raise? To be announced. Is there a Lankan here who is also a dev? Oh, it's Wishel. I got it. Wishel is asking for more devs in the chat. Technology stack you're using for Concero. I think Nikita can clarify on this. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, for this noise. I'm sorry. Nikita, what is the tech stack that we're using for Concero?
So, in terms of Solidity development, we use Hardfat with TypeScript. For unit tests and for some of integration tests, we use Forge. And of course, Solidity. For front end, we use React with TypeScript. That's basic setup. And on backend, we have MongoDB with Node.js and TypeScript. So yeah. For EVM communication, we use VM library. So yeah, I think it is a better solution. It's best solution for foreign logs, and any communication with blockchain.
It was some pro tips from our big brain guy, how you can build such a system, if you, for some reason, is interested in this. Okay. How many fund Concero raised to be announced, as I said. Where is the link to the testnet? Testnet.concero.io. Where is the link to the submission of wallet? Nitin, where can we drop the wallet addresses? Can they drop it in the chat? Okay, for now Nitin is muted. He'll be back soon. Why am I still getting that I'm not currently on the whitelist even after submitting in the first week? You will be whitelisted among the first ones, that's for sure, but still, it is closed for now, the testnet, as we want to open access for the first batch of users today. So I am 90% sure that you will be whitelisted today. You will have an access. Just check it out. Later, let's say in 2 or 3 hours. Ready for V2. We're ready as well. Is there any reward for ambassadors at the end of the program? Of course. Will there be rewards for ambassadors? Yes, once again. I hope V2 will cook for real. Testnet mainnet users, not influencers. Of course. Concero on Kaito soon. Nikita, what do you think about the Kaito?
Oh, let's do it.
Okay. You see how easy it is to integrate any, for now, EVM chain that you want. You can just ask Nikita and you will get a response like, let's do it. Okay. So right now, integration of a new chain, it's like, I don't know.
Sorry guys, I just missed configuration.
Yeah, but still, I wanted to, to start a timer or clock watch, something like this, just to know how fast it is to integrate a new chain. So let's say I will not say any names. For our competitors, it takes usually something around 2 to 3 or even 6 months to integrate a new chain. Let's see how quick will it be for us. What else? Please no Concero on Kaito. Why? Why don't you like Kaito? I don't know. Congratulations, big step towards any token on any chains. Thank you. I think it is Charles, right? Hello, Charles. Concero on Kaito will only favor influencers. Oh, I got it. Our mission, our idea is to unify all blockchains that we have, like all blockchains. Do you know how many chains there are in crypto space? Another genius, Fug, made a research, and he said that there are something around 250 blockchains in crypto space, and we want to connect them all. We don't care if it's I don't know, Arbitrum or Solana or something like Kaito or any other little blockchains, We value every chain, every project, everyone. We want to all blockchains act as one. This is the idea of Concero V2. Because for now, on V1 we only have 5 chains. That's why we're trying to make this thing real. to unify all the blockchains. And we have big plans to also connect not only EVM blockchains, but also all VMs that we have. SVM for Solana, Ton VM, Near VM. So all of those blockchains can act as one. This is our mission. This is what we want to do. Is TG Q2 or Q3 to be announced? To be announced. Massive step. Thank you. Thank you. It is. Bring Lanka to GiveWrap. What is GiveWrap? Is it the blockchain or something? Let me Google it real quick. The leading DeFi dApp aggregator and wallet manager on Sui. I'll take a look after the stream. Sounds interesting. Bringing on all chain together, exactly. Is there a chance to lower the fees? It is. It is. We will have lower fees since once V2 is live. I mean, not on the testnet, but once we have it on Lanka, once we have LBF, Lanka Bridging Framework, our fees will be way, way lower. I'm sorry about that. Like, I completely understand that right now fees are not the lowest on the market. Let's be honest, they're not the lowest, but we're making multiple steps to make it lower right now. And this is one of the steps that we're doing. V2 will make it cheaper, will make it faster, will make it, will add more chains to which you can bridge or from which you can bridge. So yes, of course, we're aiming to make them as low as possible. 250 chains is small. Wow, I thought there were 1,000. It will be one day. It will be one day, but for now, it is something like this. Yes, you know, it's if you think that crypto space right now is something, let's say, something as a teenager, I'll let you know that it's not even a child right now, you know? It's something what is inside of pregnant woman for now. It's so small, it's so young, it's so, like, you cannot even imagine. One day we will have thousands of blockchains, like on different VMs, and all of them will act as one because of Concero V2. So that's what we are aiming for. Unification of all. You're completely right, VT. GiveWrap is like Kaito but on Suyu. Yes. I just took a look. Yes. When SIRS goes on chain? Beautiful question. Oh, it's Junaid. It's our team member. For now, I cannot say the exact date, but we will do it. We will definitely do it one day, because the problem right now is risks of centralization, you know. So some people, let's say me, can give you some service, or I don't know, steal some service from you, right? This is not right. Of course, we don't do this. Of course, we're very transparent, and of course, before the TG, before the drop, we will erase all the team member wallets, so none of those rewards will be distributed to them, to us, of course. But yeah, it is better to have it on chain, of course, because this is the only way users can be sure that their servers are safe. That's why we want to do this. When will this be ready for mass usage? If we're talking about the Concero V2 Testnet, then for the first batch of users, it will be public today. For the next batches, it will be public in a week or so. I suggest you should not include Kaito, bring it to the give rep so that we can reach vast number of organic engagers, thereby expanding the trend and awareness. Agree, completely agree with you, but we always listen to the community. If community says us that we have to choose give rep rather than Kaito, then we will choose give rep for sure. When can we submit wallet? I have to go. Please fill up the form on the testnet.concero.al and we will waitlist you really soon.
So guys,
Some news from Nikita.
no, I just needed to rerun my VS Code. Sorry about that.
Oh, okay.
But
Okay, no worries.
I already deployed router on Concero testnet, so I just need to add this router to all chains, and we will send a message.
No give rep, no Kaito, leave Concero as it is. Yes, maybe. When will this be ready for the mass usage? The testnet will be public for the first batch of users today. For the second and third and so on batches, it will be public in a week or so. We have so many applications that we don't even want to open it for everyone at one day, because we want to stress test it, but first we want to battle test it, right? To ensure that we give you the smoothest experience possible. For now, let me update the page. We have 29,631 response. So something around 30Ks, right? Imagine if all of them go to the testnet at one time. It will be very hard to handle so many users. Concero is hyping right now. We have a lot of applications, so yeah. First of all, we will whitelist some batches. How is finality ensured in cross-chain transfers? Is there an internal retry mechanism in place to handle partial failures? This is the question from our friends, from Yaroslav. Hello, Yaroslav. I think Nikita is the right one to answer this question, but he's very busy with deploying the new chain right now. And maybe we will let you know after the stream. By the way, guys, are there any football fans in the chat? Because right after the stream, we will have finally some rest. It's 8 p.m. In our location right now, and we will end somewhere around 10 p.m. Right when the Champions League starts. So yeah, drop your thoughts. Maybe there are some football fans. Barca fan here. Yeah, Mark, I know. Congratulations to you for the winning. What is it? It was like a Spanish Cup, right, or something. For the winning in El Clasico. Who do you support tonight? To be honest, I only support my local teams. I'm from Moscow, so I'm a big fan of CSK Moscow. I don't know if you have you ever heard of this team or not. But yeah, so I'm waiting for CSK Moscow to participate in this tournament. But tonight, I will definitely support Arsenal and I think, I'm not sure, Inter or Barcelona, because I like both. In Barcelona versus Inter, I will be a fan of of a beautiful football. Man United, Andre, yes, we know. Andre, our full stack developer who's leading the Lanka. and who was built, like he built the whole testnet, I mean the front end and some back end for it. It's Andrei, our LAN leading guys. A round of applause for the Andrei. He made a great job. Let's send some hearts in the chat. Yes, and Andre is a big fan of Manchester United. It like, you know, every time we have a call right after the match, let's say on Monday, we talk to each other 10 minutes for the about the football. Nikita, have you deployed the chain?
Not, but I'm on final stage of it.
Okay,
So
just
yeah.
Feel free to interrupt me at any time you want, because I'm just, you know, I like to talk, but yeah, the chain is more important. So Nikita is on final stage, and
As you can see, I'm adding Concero testnet in Arbitrum chain. So let's keep it as it is for now. And so I also need to reload our operator on server. So just a minute, and then we can do our test message.
perfect.
But before
You see, yes.
before it, let's set some mock values for price feed.
And for the price feed, I think the one who's responsible for it is Oleg, our CTO, and he's currently in Dubai with Andy and Sergi, trying their best to, you know, to finalize the Series A round. So maybe it will be not as smooth as we want. Any cricket fans here? Not really, but I think cricket is very popular in India. Am I right? Manchester United fans here. Andre, you are not the only one. Man United, one more. Chelsea here. By the way, yeah, Nikita is a fan of Arsenal, so that's why we watch football tonight together with him. And I'm the big fan of Chelsea. I mean, of that Chelsea that we had, you know, let's say 10 years ago, or maybe even more, I think it was like in 2000 and something, with Michael Essien, with Didier Drogba, with, I don't know, Petr Cech, with Balak.
Yeah, it was a great team.
Yeah, absolutely legends. Need Arsenal lost tonight to PSG. Nikita will not agree with you. I'm from Romania, so of course I heard. I think it's related to the CSK. Yes, in Russia, right? Absolutely. Do I know any teams from Romania? Is it like Steaua, or I don't know how to I don't know. I'm not sure if I right, but maybe. I definitely heard some teams from there. Oh, I think I also know Cluj from Romania. My Discord and X is not connecting on Concero. I hope that will be fixed soon. I think you have to create a ticket in the support channel, and the reason why you cannot connect your Discord or Twitter is that probably they are connected to the different wallet, and you cannot connect the same accounts for different wallets. I'm Chelsea, so no way I'm supporting Arsenal tonight. I got you. Great job, Andre. Agree. Can I drop a dress here for Lanka reward? I think yes. I think Nissan will give you the rewards. How long will the testnet last? It will last forever. It will be everlasting. But yeah, the incentivized part will last for, let's say, months or so. Sorry, guys. Man, I hope to be like you devs one day. Like Nikita. Yes. You have to work at least 14 hours a day. So yeah, this is how we
24
can.
hours.
24 hours, yeah. It's not even a joke, guys. Nikita has no sleep like for days, so yeah. It's very hard to be. He
And
is.
just a job.
That's the truth. Autumn is over, there are no odds, there is nothing to fit the CSK players. Yes. I got your joke, Yaroslav. Please, my question, sir. Sumsget, I think I lost it. But you have my DMs, right? So you can ask me whatever you want here, there. I always try to reply to all of your questions. So yeah.
Guys, it's been how many? 1 hour 20 minutes since the stream started, and I'd say now would be a good time to drop your EVM wallet addresses, and we'll make sure to reward our loyal community members for tuning in to the Concero V2 Testnet live stream. Feel free to just drop it in the chat. Thanks, chat.
Great. You see, chat, your time finally came. So yeah, feel free to share your wallet addresses. Cool stuff doing all these tech things live, Jalanka mates. Thank you. I'm very proud to hear such things. I hope you guys really enjoyed the stream, like, and I hope that it's not only for the rewards or something, that because our main goal is to be as transparent as possible. We want to show you how we can integrate those chains, how we can answer those questions. What do you think, guys? Should we launch more streams? Maybe we should stream once a week or once a month or something. What do you think, guys? Let us know in the chat. What is the best reason for Concero is better than others? The Concero V2 will be better than others because of its speed, its cost, its security, and because of how many chains will we integrate. So, one day you will see, let's say, 150 chains, and it will be soon. And it took a lot of time for our opponents to make this real. For us, it will take less than half a year. So that's why we will be the best. Speed of integration. It's not, that important for you guys as a B2C part, right? Because you're the consumers, you're the users. But it's very important for the projects to be built in on top of, messaging, on top of protocol, which is very easy to integrate. It is very important for them. So yeah. Oh,
It's also important for end user. I mean, speed of integration, because by the end of the day, end user will have a lot of new chains integrated. So yeah.
Yep.
So let me check our operator. Was it reloaded or not?
Guys, quick question before Nikita start the process. What do you think about the platform? Is it better for us to host the stream on Twitter, or should we use YouTube? It's very
Or
important
Twitch.
for us. Or Twitch, yeah. What do you think, guys? Please let us know in the comments. It is very important. Looks weird. I'm the only one that dropped my wallet. You're not the only one. This is like the settings of the chat. So if for now, only interesting messages are shown to you or to me. I don't know, like if you have the same settings, probably you have. So yeah, if you change it to old messages, you will see like a bunch of wallets. I think Nissan right now is trying his best to collect them all.
By the way, operator was reloaded, so let's do our first message to header testnet. We will send it from Arbitrum, and oh yeah, I forgot to deploy some additional contract on header just to receive a message. So just a second.
Yes, we want more streams. Okay, guys, I got it. In my opinion, the monthly ones should be okay. Okay, Mark, let's host them together. Let's run them together. Why are people not dropping their wallet? They do. It's because of like chat settings. You just don't see it, but Nissan sees it. Also, click on the subscribe button. You're goddamn right. VT, you're goddamn right. Okay, boss. I'm not the boss, you're the bosses, guys. Launch more streams. Enjoy the session. Thank you. Once a month.
We sent our first message. Let me check if it's success or not. For now, it's we can use only terminal for it. Sorry about that, but yeah, we will anyway see everything about this transaction. So, as you can see, it was success. Header is integrated.
You see it, guys? It is.
Let's do
It
some
is integrated.
confetti.
Yes, we need confettis. We need more confetti. We need lasers.
Let's go.
Guys. Lasers and fireworks. So
who is next?
check this out, guys. Less than an hour to integrate a new chain, while it takes 2 or 3 or 6 months for our competitors. That's why.
And we even just chill on stream.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't even rush for it.
That's the simplicity of how well Concero V2 infrastructure has been designed and built, and as easy for developers to add new chains to it as well as to other protocols.
Yes, yes. This is our, the main USP of us, our main USP is how quickly it is for us to integrate a new chain, to integrate a new project. I don't know. It's that fast, guys. You just saw it on the live stream. Nikita is talking to chat. It's like 8:30 p.m. in Moscow, and
Yeah,
we're a
it's
bit tired.
it's end of our workday.
Yeah.
It was quite productive, quite hard. So yeah, guys, Nissan, maybe you can advise me which chain to integrate now. Which
I think
chain
we
do you
can
want?
do Bera chain. Let's do
Berry
Bera
chain.
chain. Or
Okay, let's do it.
I thought Berchain is already integrated, no?
Uh, when I integrated them, there was some downtime on this chain, so I'm not sure if it's integrated. I can see it in our list. You can see our list of integrated chains. By the way, you can also check it in our official GitHub. So everything is open sourced. You can see every piece of every line of code. It's very, very transparent. So yeah.
So, I just want to conclude that it took us less than an hour to integrate a new chain. Can we, we have something around 30 minutes more. What do you think, Nikita? Is it possible for us to integrate one more chain in 30 minutes or so?
If I have testnet token on Berry chain, yeah, I think it's possible. Let me check.
Do I have any questions in the chat? Let me check. I think my chat.
Yes, I have tokens, so I'm starting to integrate it.
Okay. So let's see if it's possible. Right now is 8:35 p.m. in Moscow. So let's see if it's possible to do it in like 5 minutes or so. Let's do which chain will be integrated? I'm sorry.
Berry chain.
Berry
Berry
chain,
chain,
okay.
Bipolar.
Yeah. Resv 19. Your vote won. So yeah, we will do Berry chain. Give me that watch, sir. I cannot. That's a gift. What chain is this testnet on? For now, we have 31 chain live. Massive. Thank you. Awesome work, guys. Thank you. Let's fucking go. Thank you. Maybe X is better. Probably. I think we should drop, something like a vote. Or maybe should we stream on multiple sources? Do you guys have any experience in streaming? Because this is like the first time in my life I stream, so it's not, it was quite hard
For me
to
as well.
set this up. Yeah, and for Nikita, of course, and for Nissan, and for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this stream. I really hope, and I was very nervous about it because I wanted to give you the best experience possible. I'm not sure if this is the best experience, but yeah, uh, we'll do it better stream by stream. Better chain. Yes, we'll do better chain. Hi, BVM, sir. When it comes to new VMs, we cannot integrate them right now, unfortunately, but we will do it soon.
Yeah, hopefully
Integrate Cosmos.
hopefully very, very soon.
Yeah. Same for Cosmos. Same for Cosmos. You know, we cannot integrate new VMs right now, but we will do it. Sonium. We do have Sonium right now on the testnet.
You can check it.
Besides the initial one T0 we claim, how to claim more T0? There is a icon on top of your testnet. If you're the whitelisted one, you're probably the whitelisted one. You can click on it and to give more T0 on different chains. And but in fact, there is no need for you to do this because you can always bridge 0.000001 to every chain that you want. So like you will have T0 on every chain. It's that easy.
How's it going, chat?
I was just gonna ask that. How's it going, chat? Zavos.
I'm not sure if we have like any Russian dudes on the stream, but I mean, apart from the team. But yeah, if there are any, hello guys, there will be. I mean, Zavos is happening right now, so yeah.
Guys, drop down in the chat what is the current mainnet chain that you guys are actively using.
Hyperliquid is an EVM chain. It's also in our list. Oh yeah, I got you. I'm sorry, Vishal, I was wrong. I thought that there is a different VM for Hyperliquid, like Hype VM. Yeah, I was wrong. And we will integrate Hyperliquid, I think.
Okay. Johnny Dead says base, Razvi Arbitrum, Junaid base, OP, Harry Godwin base, one day base. We already have base on Lanka, so why do we even need Concero V2?
For faster transactions.
Right, for faster transaction. And also, it's going to be Monad on mainnet, so everyone is probably going to go to Monad once mainnet is live. Atunde Hassan once says, after Concero mainnet, I will come and visit you, sir. Yes, you can. You feel free to visit Nikita and Kitu in Moscow, and they will make sure to, uh, you know, give you have make sure that you have a really good time. Have some nice Russian vodka and
Yeah.
some nice Russian food.
In fact, we have a lot of
with
things
some bears as
to
well.
visit in Moscow. Yeah, there are berries and vodka and all that stuff, but we have beautiful places to visit. You know what? Nissen is from India, from Bengaluru. Am I right, Nissen?
You just doxed me, bro.
You doxed like us first, right? You said like,
You said you
oh,
were from Moscow on the stream.
oh, I'm sorry, Nissen. Okay, he's from Spain, from Barcelona, and he visited Moscow one time, and he said it's good.
Yeah.
Someone, come on, guys.
Moscow was really amazing, guys. Everything was good. Literally everything was really good. And I did manage to have bear meat as well in Russia. That was very interesting.
Yes, yes. Solana is my second. Yeah, you see this? We'll have it as soon as possible. To be honest with you guys, yeah, and the one which on Nikita's head. I'm Solana Maxi. Maybe I'm the only one in our team who is Solana Maxi, uh, but still, I really enjoy using those chain. I mean, Solana and like this ecosystem. What do you guys think? When do you need it? Or maybe you don't need it at all. Maybe you don't like use any apps on Solana. Because I personally prefer Jupyter. What else? Fragmetric, Radix, and like other protocols. A lot of good protocols, a lot of good DeFi apps on Solana. My battery is that good to have everyone around. Thank you. Thank you. We show I'm from Dagestan. Proof. Prove it. Prove it to me. You should probably be the best one in this chat in wrestling. When testing started and open for public, the first batch will be whitelisted after the stream. Got Habib in his back. Yes, 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 yes. Solana and Sui. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of Sui, but we only listen to our community. If you say that you need Sui, then we'll do it for sure.
I think we
Maybe,
should have Solana and Sui both because those are like two good chains.
yeah, yeah. Agree with you. Good night, everyone. Good night to you. Please give me that hat. I need that hat. No problems at all. If you like, maybe we will, maybe you'll catch me on some conferences. We will go to, personally me, will go to Cannes. I can for sure give it to you. Like, just catch me somewhere and say that you need this hat. I'll give it to you. Jupe is better than Solana. Agree. Sui. A lot of Sui fans in chat. That is interesting. Will the whitelist be for the users that fill the form? Yes. Yes. You have to fill up the form, guys. Sui Echo is booming recently. Yes. When merge? Nissen, when merge?
Merch very soon. We also have to give out the Zora airdrop that we received, which the community said that we should be selling it to USDC ASAP. And I cheated that Zora token so fast. I've never cheated anything that fast in my life. I basically sold that shit like a very fast airdrop. Apologies for my language. That was the intern talking. And yeah, merch and airdrop rewards going to be coming together. And one thing I will tell you is our most loyal Lankans and Concero community members have the highest chance of receiving that. And one thing that I want to ensure the community knows is there is not going to be any quest or any volume related task that you will have to do for these quests. We appreciate you for all that you have done so far, and we will allocate you these tokens and also the merch for being our active and supportive community member. So yeah, stay tuned.
Sorry guys, I missed environment again. I'm so tired.
Yeah, apologize, but it's pretty hard for, to dev to stay focused for such a long time. It's very, very hard. And to be like on the live stream, very tired. And to be honest, me personally, and I think Nikita as well, are very hungry and we want to watch football. So maybe even, drink some beer or tea, I don't know. Yeah, but we're trying our best to make this real. As you saw, Nikita started integrating at 8:35 p.m., right? And right now it is 8:48.
And I just missed environment 2 times. So yeah.
I hope it will be live really soon. And in this case, it means that it took us less than 30 minutes to integrate a chain.
As you can see, the longest part of integration is to, reinstall packages with new chains. So yeah, it's really the longest part of integration for now. Of course, in future we'll optimize it. And if you integrate, let's say, bunch of chains, you can reinstall packages only once. So yeah. But for now, when we integrate chains one by one, we need to reinstall it every time. And we have time to talk with chat while updating packages.
Please, guys, let's ask Nikita some technical questions. We really need this because, Concero is a very big technical thing. So, I'm just, talking to you and I'm saying useless info from my side because the info itself is way more interesting than my rambling, So ask Nikita any technical questions that you have on your mind. We are very proud of our infrastructure. I mean, the whole team. So yeah, we want to share more details about it with you. Okay, I saw the interesting question. What's your beer choice? If we're talking about
we don't
beer, Nikita is lying a bit.
No.
I mean, yeah, Nikita is as sober as possible, but yeah, I drink beer from time to time, let's say once a month or so. And my choice is Gose. I don't know, if you ever heard of this, but yeah, I prefer when beer is a bit salty or something like this. So yeah, and of course I like Weiss beer with something like this. I will not share like any brands with you because it's not an ads, but yeah.
Router for the chain bipolar was deployed. Let's add it to Arbitrum Sepolia as well. So it was added. And let's push our changes to build updated CLF version. CLF is chaining functions, by the way. Now we can restart operator again. By the way, it can automatically catch new chains, but to speed up this process, I just reloading it.
I see some good questions in the chat. ResV19 asked, how did you manage to integrate chains so fast? Maybe a less technical explanation? Maybe you can somehow explain it, Nikita, in a less technical way.
I don't know how to explain it quickly, honestly. It's just our architecture that comes from our CTO Oleg.
Yeah. Unfortunately, Oleg is not here today because, as I previously said, he's in Dubai with Andy and Sergey, our head of BD and our other co-founder. Andy is the co-founder. I think everyone of you knows him. And Sergey is our head of BD. They're in Dubai on Token 2049, and I wish we had them on the stream, but unfortunately, they cannot join us right now. But still, I think you can see all the details right now on the stream.
Yeah, in general, we just need to deploy our router on target chain, then add it to operator and chaining functions config. And so, yeah, it works.
Still seeing those good questions in the chat, but they're so tech, I cannot even, explain it to you guys. And Nikita is a bit, busy with deploying the new chain because we only have 4 minutes to go. And I hope it's possible for us to do this. So yeah, unfortunately, I cannot answer such deep questions. Like Junaid asked, after deploying the chain, where this contract stores for the next use and where the main infra belongs, I mean where it stores. Still too technical for me, I'm sorry. But yeah, as the head of product, I have to deep dive in those, architecture things. I have to know every small detail of it just to build better products, to talk to users and to explain to them how it works, uh, to gather better feedback for it. So yeah, one day I will have a call with Nikita and Oleg, which will last for, let's say, 5 hours, and they will explain me like every detail of it. But unfortunately, for now, I don't know.
Guys, we're ready
How
to
to
send a
explain.
message. It's deployed.
Let's go!
Oh, Monad to Bera.
By
I've
the
already
way,
added it to Arbitrum for now. Listen, let me just do it with Arbitrum at first, and then maybe we can.
send the
Oh,
message.
sorry guys, I have some problems with VS Code today. I don't know why. And let's go.
It happens from time to time. It's okay.
Sending the message.
Please share
It
the.
was sent successfully, and let's check it. Let's check it.
Please send the hash to the chat so everyone understand that this is not like
They can copy it just on stream if they want. So it was received. Let's check. Was it successful or not? Fetch transaction info. I use terminal commands again. So
Can't you send me like the TX hash in Slack or something, so I can share it to the guys?
Just a second.
Love you guys. This was fun for real. Thank you. Thank you. See you on the next stream. But you can wait.
It was success. Nice.
Portion of a fireworks. Portion of a lasers.
Confetti again.
More confetti, more lasers, more fireworks. Let's go, guys. You see, I don't know how to say it in English, but in Russia we have a good idiom for this. Accuracy is how should I translate it? Accuracy is the way to be polite for the kings or something like this. So exactly 25 minutes. 25 minutes, guys, to integrate a new chain. It was even faster than the first one. 25 minutes.
And as I told you guys previously, it can be even faster if we do a batch of chains.
Let's go, chat. Let's go.
How many chains has been successfully integrated? 32 for now.
32? Now it's...
Oh, I mean, the 30 that we
30,
have on...
34.
34. Okay, I was wrong. Sorry, guys.
Because we just added it.
Nice stream. Enjoy the game and beer, guys. Same to you. Same to you. When OG code role holders will have access to the testnet soon, probably today. Legends, thank you. LFG, thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, so I think we have to it almost 2 hours since we started the stream. So
nice,
yeah,
nice.
It was a
very good.
Brilliant experience. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Nikita was amazing. Chat, thank you for you guys. Thank you for the stream. Good questions, good reactions. Next time we will stream on maybe Twitch or Twitter or maybe on YouTube. Be sure to, follow all our social networks, follow our socials. What should I say? Stay tuned. Thank you for the stream, guys. It was amazing. Thank you, really.
On the closing note, guys, I'd like to thank Kitu and especially Nikita, our lead dev, for leading this development and adding all these chains and bringing it to our community members for them to be able to access world class, superior, extremely high, noble chains presented by Concero V2. Uh, Hopefully, we will be giving you access very shortly, very soon, so you can test out all these chains by yourselves and earn those juicy SIRs for each transaction that you make. Make sure to abuse it. And now is the chance to earn a lot of SIRs and spread the word about Concero, because if not now, then when? Thank you, chat, for tuning in. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week.
Yeah. See you guys. Thank you.
See you.
Thank you for the stream. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. See you. Bye bye.